everyone, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Tasty Tradition. Today we are exploring the wonderful world of tea cake. I will be sharing my recipe for making tea cake from scratch as well as some helpful insights on how you can start your own cake selling business. Let's jump in. First, let's start with our ingredients. We will need 3 eggs. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl and beat them until they are light and firm. Then gently pour in 1 cup of sugar into egg mixture. Add 1 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, pinch of yellow color, 2 tablespoon warm milk, 2 tablespoon water, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. Ensuring your cake is perfectly moist and soft by using fresh ingredients and not over-mixing the batter. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below and let's continue our journey together.